Hi, welcome to Jamaican Cooking 101. Today we're making an all-time favorite Jamaican dessert item. This is called Grater cake or red pan top. It's made from coconut, so let me prep the ingredients and we'll be right back. Welcome back. So we have shredded the coconut, we cut off the backing, that's the brown part of it, and we have that set aside. We're just bringing some water to boil, and we have a bit of grated ginger in it. The ginger is just for flavor. I'm not going to allow the ginger to stay in there for the final product, so I'm going to take it out midway. Alright, so you shred the coconut, taking off the brown part, and then we're gonna add sugar, a bit of coloring, and it's quick and easy, very easy. So I'm taking out the ginger. I think we have enough flavor in the liquid. Some persons will make the syrup and then add the coconut, and others will put the coconut in with a small amount of water and then add the sugar. Whichever way you do it, you get the same result. Alright, so I'm adding 1 cup of sugar, granulated sugar, and then I'm going to let that come to a boil slowly. This is kind of creating a syrup, and then I'll add the coconut to it. So I'm going to be using 2 cups of shredded coconut. And if you don't have a fresh coconut to shred, you can always buy the shredded ones in the stores. Alright, so I've gotten the coconut in. Some people will put salt and vanilla and all sorts of flavorings. It's up to you. But I don't add any flavorings other than the ginger and the sugar. Alright, so I'm going to allow this to come to a boil and then lower the flame. Have it dry down, and then we are going to use the banana leaf to place the mixture on. Alright, so you see it's drying down now. It still needs to dry down some more. This is not what it should look like. So once you see it extremely dry, almost like it's about to start burning, then you know it's ready. Okay, I'm going to be using a metal spoon now to just spoon it onto the banana leaf. If you don't have banana leaf, you could use the grease-proof paper or foil. So I'm spreading out the white layer, and then I will add food coloring to the balance in the pot and then put that on top. Now, how will you know when the mixture is ready? You'll find that it starts getting real sticky and it starts drying out. When you're putting in coloring, make sure to take your time. You don't want it causing all your mixture to be extremely red. So I have a small amount of red here. I'm mixing it in, and then I'm going to allow this to just thicken back up and then put it on top. That's why we call it red pan top. Alright, some parts of Jamaica we call it cut cake, we call it grater cake, and other parts we call it red pan top. Whatever you call it, it's the same method. It tastes the same to me, but you can tell me in the comment section what you call it. Alright, because I've not placed it in a mold or anything like that, I'm using the knife to just keep it in a square shape. Alright, so you allow this to dry out, just air dry. Sometimes it will take an hour or a little more, and once it has dried out, cooled down, you can now use a knife to cut it. Alright, this one is not fully dried out, but you know, I couldn't wait. So I am cutting it and taking the pictures and then dive right in. Okay, so you can cut them in smaller squares. Usually they are done in squares, and then you bag them up, and the dropsman or the dropswoman, grater cake lady, would put them in little clear bags and walk around with them to sell. Alright, so we had quite a bit from it. We've gotten quite a bit from it. And this is what we call Grater cake, cut cake, red pan top. So you tell us how you do yours in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.